If you're studying for the property and casualty state exam, this one's for you. All about state and federal regulations. Insurance in general is regulated on an individual state level, not a federal level. The first thing about the state section that you're going to need to know is about your state commissioner. Number one is, how is he or she appointed or elected? How long are they in term for? That's typically 4 years. You'll want to know that all commissioners enforce insurance laws. They do not pass laws. And all commissioners issue licenses, approve rates, forms, investigate complaints. Commissioners do not sentence anyone to jail. And again, they do not pass laws. The normal chain of command does not change, right? So commissioners work with them. For example, if an agent violates an insurance law, the commissioner would issue a cease and desist order, but then the judge would be the one to actually sentence the agent to jail, not the commissioner. The commissioner, again, works with the proper channels. Number two, you're going to need to know your state licensing requirements as well as pre-licensing requirements. Is it 24 credit hours? Do you have to renew your license every 2 years? When does your license expire? Is it the last day of your birth month? You will need to know all of those specifics for your state. Number three, read up on your state guarantee association. Every state has those state-run programs that protect policyholders in the event insurers become insolvent. And the way it works is that every insurer has to participate in that program. And if an insurer goes insolvent, that's how those claims are paid. Look out for questions around the Guarantee Association. If it references anything about being federally legislated, no, they are state-run programs. Now to flip over to federal regulations. The McCarran-Ferguson Act. That's the act that declared that states regulate insurance, not the federal government. For this one, the way I remembered it was, where I grew up in New Jersey, I had a neighbor down the street, their last name was Ferguson. So I think Ferguson from New Jersey, state regulation. That's really the key with this information, right? It really comes down to memorization. Whatever little tricks you need to do to have it stick in your brain. Number two, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This regulates how insurers can use credit reports. It requires that insurers notify applicants that a credit check or a consumer investigative report, as it may be referred to on the exam, may be done during the underwriting process. Number three, you have the Graham-Leach-Bliley Act. That protects the privacy of non-public information. That requires all financial institutions to give a privacy notice. So basically, we're not going to share your information with non-affiliated third parties. Number four, FEMA, Federal Emergency Management Agency. That is who oversees the National Flood Insurance Program, right? The NFIP. Once you get through your chapters, it's very easy to breeze through that state section and not pay close enough attention or even realize that you're going to be tested on this information. But you definitely will be. Don't skip your state section and make sure to follow us for more exam tips. I am always rooting